Okay, so next important question of trigonometry. Here this left hand side we have to prove equal to right hand side. So we are going to work on left hand side. Convert into sine theta and cos theta. Convert left hand side into sine theta and cos theta. So tan theta from sine theta by cos theta, 1 minus cos theta by sine theta, plus cos theta by sine theta, 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Next step, take LCM in denominator part to simplify it. So sine theta by cos theta, LCM is going to be sine theta. So 1 minus LCM is going to be sine theta. So here numerator become sine theta minus cos theta, plus cos theta by sine theta, cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. I have taken LCM here. Now simplify these terms separately. Sine theta by cos theta, sine theta by sine theta minus cos theta. Now we are simplifying this expression. Now we are simplifying these two terms separately like this. Cos theta by sine theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sine theta. Here numerator becomes sine square theta cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta, plus cos square theta by sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta, like this. Now we have to take LCM. So here denominator is cos theta and inside bracket sine theta minus cos theta. Here it is sine theta and into cos theta minus sine theta. Inside bracket terms are same, only sign are inside the bracket terms are same, only sign are different. So for that take negative common from here. So sine square theta by cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta by sine theta, and this becomes sine theta minus cos theta. This why we are taking negative common, so that these values could be similar. These terms could be exactly similar. Now again take LCM. LCM is going to be cos theta sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta. So this term becomes sine cube theta and this becomes cos cube theta. Take LCM. LCM is cos theta into sine theta and sine theta minus cos theta. So first term sine theta into sine square theta minus cos theta into cos square theta. sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. After taking LCM, numerators become sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, while in denominator LCM remain same. Now use the identity for the numerator part, a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So numerator becomes sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta and plus cos square theta. Denominator as it is sin theta into cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Here we can see these two terms are similar, so can be cancelled out. So here if you regroup the term to sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will become 1 plus sin theta into cos theta and divide by sin theta into cos theta. Now separate the terms. 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Got cancel out. So now expression is 1 by sin theta, writing these also separate, by 1. Now writing these terms like this, means separating the terms here. 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta and plus 1. Okay. After this, 1 by sin theta can be written as sec theta. This can be written as cosec theta and plus 1, which is equals to right hand side. So left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence